I just wanted you guys to come out. I wanted to make sure that, you know, we're communicating good, that you're seeing the progress out here, not just from email exchanges and text pictures that I'm sending you guys. What the end goal would be is to show the utility bill before and after.
Yes,
so
that is all of our goal.
That's
and to have them look very different.
That is going to be, yeah, the most exciting part of it. It's all the same technology that we're already installing. They just want to make sure that it's being installed in such a way that's per their code, you know, and per what their recommended installation requirements are. But it's the latest equipment out that they have available.